This video is a quick tutorial on how to use the UMApps Citrix virtual machines that will allow you to run the RT Toolbox 3 software. Once you have logged in with your University of Memphis credentials, you will be presented with the following screen. If you don't see desktops listed on the screen initially, select the desktops icon at the top of the screen. One of the options will be the virtual lab desktop. This is the one you need to select. Go ahead and select the workspace launcher and wait for the system to log you in. You will want to select the read-write access option. Once the desktop has fully launched, select the engineering folder and then select the RT Toolbox 3 shortcut. If everything goes correctly, the software will launch along with the communications server. If you need to get back to your own desktop, select the down arrow at the top middle of the screen and click on the Home button. Once you're done with your session, you can click on Log Out. If you do not want to close out your session completely, you can also click on the Disconnect button. So that's it for the Citrix desktop. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.